Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the world's hardest game in Roblox. To begin your journey, focus on mastering the absolute basics. This includes understanding how your character moves and jumps. Crucially, activate Shift Lock for enhanced camera control, allowing for much more precise movements. Dedicate time to practicing fundamental jumps, like navigating a 12-stud gap, to develop essential muscle memory. These foundational skills are vital for progressing through any challenging obstacle course. Once you have the basics down, it's time to tackle advanced maneuvers. Practice specialized jumps like the 9-stud wraparound and efficient wall hops. Developing precise timing is essential for navigating dynamic obstacles, such as platforms that vanish or lasers that sweep across your path. For ultimate precision, especially on PC, utilize alignment keys to achieve pixel-perfect positioning on even the narrowest of ledges. Many players stumble by rushing through stages. Instead, cultivate patience. It will prevent countless falls. Focus on consistent execution of each jump rather than attempting risky, low-percentage shortcuts. Remember that Roblox's physics can sometimes be a bit quirky, so learn to adapt your movements and timing accordingly. Understanding these nuances will significantly reduce frustration and improve your overall success rate. A winning mindset is just as important as your physical skills. Embrace patience and persistence. Every fall is a chance to learn. When faced with an overwhelming stage, break it down into smaller, more manageable sections. Focus on mastering one part before moving to the next. Remember, consistent and focused practice, even for just 15 minutes a day, is the ultimate secret to conquering the world's hardest Roblox obbies.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.